Calibrate the coordinate center. Plug in the power and turn it on. Start the machine. Pay attention to the machine and place your hand on the emergency stop button. Press the emergency stop switch when approaching 0. Enter the manual test interface. Set the manual speed to 0.1 and make fine adjustments. Continuously calibrate the position so that the machine fits completely into the 0 point. Calibration successful. Remember the data of Y and Z at this time. It will be needed later. Click on User Parameters to enter the Machine Parameters interface. Just change knife positions Y and Z to the previously recorded data.